Good afternoon friends, I'm Umapati. I'm back with the router configurations in the packet tracer. Today I'm going to show you how to backup and restore your NVRAM settings. So I'm going with my previous video setting configuration like static net and pad. In that I just want to disturb one of my router NVRAM settings. So before deleting the NVRAM setting, I want to just backup. So I want to make a backup using the TFTP, that is trivial file transfer protocol. In that I am going to save my backup file. As I connected to this server PT, I can show you that this is server PT. Here you can see this TFTP. Here there are some available files. So in the same thing I am going to configure this. So let us proceed with the settings. So what I want to do is I want to just configure copy um, startup config to TFTP. Then it will ask for the address. Address means on the remote host in which the server, that is TFTP server IP address. It is asking for the TFTP IP address. So here in the example scenario I have mentioned as 10.0.0.2. So that is what the IP address I am going to mention here. And coming to the destination file name. So these file names are useful to remember. So I just want to keep as my router NVRAM config. That's it. So here the backup has done successfully and we just want to verify it. Just go to the server PT and select TFTP. Then you can find your backup copy. Now I just want to restore the backup copy. In order to restore the backup copy, first I have to delete the existing NVRAM copy. So it's very simple to delete it. It's erase startup config. So it is asking for the confirmation. So we have to proceed. Yeah. So now you can see that our complete NVRAM has been deleted. Okay. So there is nothing here. So you can see that. Show run. So in run configuration it will be there. For this you have to give a reload command so that even in run also it won't be available. Let us see. Yes, done. Now there is no setting in this, as you can see that. So what I want to do is I just want to copy the same thing. Copy TFTP. I want to mention that server name. There is a TFTP server to running config. So now it is again asking for the address. So what I have to give is the same address of that server and the source file name. So whatever I have given the source file name, that is my router slash nvram config. So this is my source file name which I want to backup. The destination file. See, you can see that these files will be temporarily stored in the running configuration. So let the same name will be available over there. But you will not be successful during this process. Why? Because here there is no interface is up, so it cannot make any connection through this. For this, what I have to do is I have to temporarily establish a connection between this router to this router so that it can be accessed. Just wait. Yeah, now it is not accessible. What I have to do is I have to just configure the interfaces. So here you can see this interface and this interface are down. So I just want to mention the interface, serial interface. My serial interface is down. Sorry, I have to go to config mode. Interface serial 0 by 0. what is the IP address over there? IP address 11.0.0.1, and the subnet mask has the default one, no shell, and the encapsulation repeat. Okay, so now exit, and you have to configure the default route so that it can access 0 by 0. Now let us check for the confirmation whether I can reach that TFTP server. Yes, I am able to reach now. So now I can back up that NVRAM file. Copy TFTP running config. I'm so sorry. I should be in normal privilege mode. Copy TFTP running config. Now it is asking for the remote address. So the server address of the TFTP and the file name my router nvram config. Let it be saved in the same file. No such directory file is exist. Let us confirm with the name whether the right name is provided or not. My router nvram config. So here it is a case sensitive. No problem, we can do that. Here the troubleshooting is always important. If you do more mistakes, you can learn from mistakes, then you will be perfect in that. Address 10.0.0.2, and what is the source file name? My router nvram config. Yes, now it has successfully configured. So what is the verification of this? We have to give the show run. As we can see, there are some configurations are available. Now it is not copied into the NVRAM. What we have to do is send the copy running config to startup config. Yes. Now the settings has been shared. Okay friends, so this is about the video and how to restore, how to backup using TFTP in Packet Tracer. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be useful for you.